Welcome to Skills and Academic Tuition Center. In this video, I'm going to look at 2023 GCE Science Paper 1, Section B, Question 6. So the question reads, Figure B 6.1 shows a ray of light traveling from glass to air at an angle. The refractive index of glass is 1.52. So we have that diagram showing the ray of light moving from this direction. So it moves from glass going to air at a certain angle. So the first question which we have there is saying define critical angle. Define critical angle. So it's telling us to define critical angle. So a critical angle is the angle of incidence that gives an angle of refraction equal to 90 degrees. So critical angle is the angle of incidence that gives an angle of refraction equal to 90. That is the critical angle. Okay, so the next question is saying calculate the critical angle in figure B 6.1. So B, we are determining the critical angle. So we have to bear in mind is that N, which is the refractive index, is equal to 1.52. So therefore we can say critical angle is equal to sine inverse 1 divided by N, where N is the refractive index. So where there is N, we substitute with the refractive index of the glass. So sine inverse 1 divided by 1.52. So when I click on my calculator, so we are going to say sine. So when I click on my calculator, this is going to give me 0.6579. So now the other thing there is, what is the sine inverse of 0.6579? So this will definitely give us 41.14 degrees as our critical angle. So that is our critical angle. Okay. Okay, so we move on. Go to the other question. The other question is saying, that is C, State 2 conditions for total internal reflection to occur. For total internal reflection to occur, what are the two conditions? So one of the conditions, one is that the ray of incident, or the incident ray, must move from a denser to a less dense medium. So the first condition is that the incident ray must move from a denser to a less denser medium, or to a less dense medium. Then the second one, so the angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. Angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle. So critical angle must be greater than the critical angle. So these are the two important conditions for total internal reflection to occur. Then D, state one application or use for total internal reflection. So there are quite a number of applications or uses for total internal reflection. We are going to mention just three. One of them is used in optic fibers. It is used in periscope. Also in reflectors. So you can just get one of the mentioned. Thank you for watching.